Assuming that you're searching for STEPN cost expectations figure for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and especially need to know where the costs of STEPN, GMT, will truly go from now on, we will dissect the previous costs of STEPN, GMT, and we'll figure out what specialists really are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you really want to generally take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this, for the most part, is just the idea of some market master experts. Not to really make reference to foreseeing something so wonderful is totally inconceivable. However, we will really attempt our practically awesome. We should begin, which really is very huge. STEPN past value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of STEPN certainly is 20 cents. And GMT explicitly is right now, for the most part, position number 138 in the whole crypto environment. The dissemination supply of STEPN basically is 1,010,631,389 with a market cap of $205,712,236. In the sort of beyond 24 hours, the crypto really has been diminished by 2.19% in its fundamentally current worth. Assuming we analyze the very current market cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. STEPN explicitly is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins. The GMT is down to nearly 5.73% in the fundamentally most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for past not very many days. The coin could have areas of strength for essentially in any case. We don't feel that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of GMT diminished by 49.126%, killing an incredible, extremely normal amount of 20 cents from its fundamentally current worth in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down especially implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it tends to be a decent truly purchase and open door for speedy interest. In a for the most part significant manner, the 90 days cost change is near 64.43%, and the cost coursed from a sort of least genuinely normal cost of 51 cents to truly most extreme normal cost of 59 cents, in the kind of beyond 90 days in a genuinely large manner. STEPN is somewhere near 20.36%, with the greatest typical cost of the coin generally was around 29 cents. And the kind of least normal cost of truly was around 28 cents in beyond 4 months, which is very critical. We in every way that really matters foresee future STEPN cost expectations GMT gauge by applying profound computerized reasoning, helped specialized examination on the for the most part past value information of STEPN. Amazingly, we give a valiant effort to gather greatest verifiable information for the GMT coin, which incorporate in every way that really matters numerous boundaries like genuinely past value, STEPN market cap, STEPN volume, and kind of not many more. Incredibly, assuming you essentially are hoping to put resources into advanced digital forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, explicitly make a point to peruse our expectations. STEPN value expectation 2023. The cost of STEPN really is, in a real sense, anticipated to generally reach at the very least worth of 24 cents in 2023. The STEPN cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of 26 cents, with the essentially normal exchanging cost of 25 cents, all through 2023. STEPN value expectation 2024. STEPN cost is gauged to arrive at an, in every practical sense, most minimal by and large conceivable degree of 35 cents in 2024. According to our discoveries, the GMT cost could for the most part arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of 42 cents, with the sort of typical conjecture cost of 36 cents. GMT value gauge for 2025. As per our very profound specialized examination on past value information of GMT in 2025, the cost of STEPN is especially anticipated to by and large reach at least degree of 51 cents. The GMT cost can arrive at an especially greatest degree of 60 cents, with the typical exchanging cost of 53 cents in a significant manner. STEPN, GMT, value expectation 2026. The cost of STEPN is anticipated to reach at any rate level of 75 cents in 2026. The STEPN cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 90 cents, with the typical cost of 78 cents all through 2026, or so they thought. In an unobtrusive manner, STEPN value expectation 2027 STEPN cost basically is conjecture to for the most part arrive at a least essentially conceivable degree of $1.11 in 2027 in a huge manner. According to our discoveries, the GMT cost could arrive at an especially greatest conceivable degree of $1.32, with the typical conjecture cost of $1.14. Or so they basically thought. STEPN value expectation 2028. According to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2028, the cost of STEPN most certainly is supposed to reach at an in every way that really matters, least value worth of $1.55. The GMT cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1.88, with the typical worth of $1.61. Which is genuinely critical. STEPN, GMT, value expectation 2029. According to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2029, the cost of STEPN is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $2.32. Amazingly, the GMT cost can arrive at a very most extreme degree of $2.62, with the really normal exchanging cost of $2.40. STEPN value gauge 2030. The cost of STEPN in every practical sense anticipated to basically reach at a truly least worth of $3.30 in 2030, which truly is genuinely huge. The STEPN cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $4.06, with the typical exchanging cost of $3.42 all through 2030. In opposition to prevalent thinking, STEPN, GMT, value expectation 2031. As per our profound specialized examination on especially past value information of GMT in 2031, the cost of STEPN essentially is gauged to be at around a really least worth of $4.79. In opposition to prevalent thinking, the STEPN value worth can arrive at a truly limit of $5.75, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $4.93 in United States dollars, which is genuinely huge. STEPN value expectation 2032. The cost of one STEPN is supposed to in every practical sense reach at least degree of $6.91 in 2032, which basically is genuinely critical. The GMT cost can truly arrive at a greatest degree of $8.34, with the typical cost of $7.16